So my name is Somnath Pramakar and I did my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and today I am making this video for Byju's as a demo video of my teaching. So today I am going to discuss about probability, and here you can see the topics I am going to cover, that important terminologies of probability, and in the last I will take a practical example so student can understand the concept of probability. So here in the slide all these terminologies are mentioned. So the very first thing is experiment. So as you can see that experiment is any process of performing a task. Let's suppose you have a coin and you tossed it, and you have a box, and in the box there are 5 different color of cards, and you randomly picked one card. Okay, so this all are act as an experiment. Now another different important keyword is outcome. So all the possible output of an experiment is known as outcome. Like if you tossed a coin, then you will get head or tail. So this head or tail is an outcome. Now another thing is randomness of experiment. And both the case example I mentioned, in both the case you can see that the output you cannot predict what will be. It may be head or tail. Okay, so because of this randomness, the experiment also known as the random experiment. Another thing is if you have a coin and both the side of the coin is same, like both the symbol in the both the side are same as head, and I'm asking you that what is the probability of getting head, then you definitely can say that it will be head, because the symbol in the both side is same, so there is no certainty to be getting tail. Okay, so it's not a random experiment, but you, in case of a fair coin, it's an random experiment, because there is a possibility, same possibility of getting head as well as tail. Okay, now another important thing is sample space. So let's suppose take another example, like you have a dice and you rolled it. So you will get at the outcome you may get a number, and that particular number be 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 6. So all these 6 number uh, gathered together make a sample space, and every single point or output or is known as sample point. Like 1 is a sample point, 2 is a sample point, 3 is a sample point, 5 is a sample point, as well as 6 as a sample point. But this all these 6 number entirely make sample space, which is a set. Okay, another important thing is event is something like that you differentiate according to you. Like you and your friend is there, and you told your friend that I rolled this dice and I want the odd number. So then what will be the possibility, or your sample space is going to reduce, like in on 3 and 5. Okay, so it's an event. Now then what is probability? Probability is nothing but is a number of way of event can occur, but the total possible event. Okay, so you will get to know this definition later when you will go with the mathematical problem. But few important things that you have to understand about the probability, that is probability is always ranges between 0 to 1. Like if I told you that what is the possibility of a man can fly, then you definitely told me there is no possibility that man can fly, because man cannot fly. But if I told you that what is the possibility that you tossed a unfair coin, as earlier I mentioned that both the sides are same, so, have same symbol, and you tossed it, or I am telling you that what is the probability getting head. So here's the probability is on, or possibility is always on, or you always get on head on the toss, because both the sides are same. So you can here you can see that its ranges 0 to 1. Okay, and also you can say that a probability means is finding prediction that a particular experiment, maybe a experiment or a work or a task you are doing, then what is the success rate or failure rate of possibility it's going to happen. Okay, and another important, very important thing about the probability is it's give the mathematical description. Okay, uh, of your thought of your prediction. How much you predict, you are going to give a mathematical number, okay, along with it, along with the your prediction. Okay, so now I'm going to take on practical examples of probability, so you can understand that how you can use in your life. Let's suppose it's you and you have an examination, and the pattern of the examination, like you have 10 question, I mean 10 topic in your examination, okay, and you started preparing for the examination really well, but unfortunately maybe there's some reason and you couldn't able to cover all the syllabus and you left 3 chapters. Now someone is asking you that what is the probability that you will get full marks, or someone asking you that how much mark you will get, then can you answer it using probability? The answer is yes, you can answer it. And how it will be, like, as I am written over here, that now tell me how many questions you can answer. So you are prepared, okay, you prepared 7 chapter really well, and I am asking her that how many questions you are going to attempt, or you will can in the examination. So definitely your answer will be all the question I can solve, those if the question is come from those 7 chapters I read, isn't it? Or you will be saying like that your answer will be all the questions which will be common to this the 7 common topics I read, isn't it? Okay, so definitely now I can manipulate this word, and I can say that your marks is depend on the questions which came from your all the 7 chapters chapters you have read, or the probability of questions that came from that particular chapters. So this is how the probability is help to find the possibility or of prediction before the task is actually going to happen. Okay, uh, the application of probability is very high. As you can see that you must be watching this video using your phone. So this phone, and also make by the help of probability, you can later going to understand about the statistical quantum mechanics, quantum physics. So there's a lot of you know uh, contribution of probability here and there. So I hope I'm able to make you understand the concepts. So bye for today, thank you.